Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm TJ from passionatecrafter.com, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show how to crochet this beautiful neat looking crochet stitch. It's super simple pattern, one row repeat, one stitch repeat. I made two swatches to see better the neat looking effect. So for this project I started my swatch by chaining 11 and single crochet in second chain from hook, single crochet in each stitch across till the end of this row, then chain 1 and turn. The difference between the normal single crochet and back bar single crochet is that we will not work in this hole here, we will work in these back bars. 1, 2. This is the back part of our previous single crochet row. We will work our stitches in these back bars. The first stitch is a bit tight and with sharper hook it will be easier for you to crochet this stitch. Now single crochet in each stitch till the end of this row. The only difference is that we have to crochet it in the back bar of our single crochet. Back bars here. Again single crochet till the end of this row. The last single crochet. This is our chain space and we will not make a stitch in it. Chain 1, turn. Repeat this row again. Single crochet in each of next stitches, but with this difference in the back bar of our single crochet stitches. If you have any questions about this stitch, please let me know and I will do my best to answer in the comments below. As I told you, it's one row repeat, one stitch repeat. It's one row repeat, but we have to repeat this row twice to get the neat looking effect. Single crochet in last stitch. Again skip the chain space, chain 1, turn. After a few more repeats you will get this beautiful neat looking swatch as mine here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video tutorial, which will be this beautiful twisted headband. See you in my next tutorial.